طيب. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We'll continue section 5.5 about substitution. We'll finish this question. Now we'll go to the next one. I'll try to finish as much as I can. Now, if you look, I can let u equal ln x, and this will be my du. So du will be dx over x. So this integral will be what? First, I change the limit of integration. Ln e will be 1. E to the power 4 will be 4. We have u du over square root of u. And that will be what? Change it into powers. U to the power half. It will be u to the power half du. Do the integration. That will be 2 over 3. U 3 over 2 from 1 to 4. That 2 over 3 times what? Cube root of square root of 4, which is 2, square to the power 3 to 8 minus 1. So it will be 7, 14 over 3, which is this one. Okay, next one. He said the function is odd. That means integral from minus a to a, f of x dx, that will be 0. Okay, I'm starting with minus 5 to 0. This is what I'm looking for. So I'm starting with minus 5. I know 3 to 5 and 3 to 0. So I have link between 5 and 3 between 0 and 3. So I will move this to 5 plus 5 to 3 plus 3 to 0. So I start minus 5, finish at 0. Okay. This one is 0. Why? Because the function is odd. That will be 0. This one, I have 3 to 5, I have 5 to 3. So that will be minus 9. This one is the same, is this similar to this one. So plus 2. The same as that one. So that will be minus 7. So that will be my answer. Okay. Now I will let u x plus 1. That will be my u. So du will equal dx. And also x will be u minus 1. I need x because I need to substitute this. So that will be the integral of 2 u minus 1 over u cubed du. In other words, let me take 2 outside. U is integral. Don't forget the integral. Integral u is minus 2 minus u is minus 3 du. That will be 2 times what? Minus 1 over u. This one is plus 1 over 2. U is minus 2. No need from. Plus c. So I have minus 1 minus 2 over u, which is x plus 1. This is plus 1 over u square plus c, which is this one. Okay, next one, if it's continuous, I have 0 to 4 is 16. You want this. Very clear, you need to do substitution. So you want integral from 0 to pi over 4, secant square x, f of 4 tan x dx. So I will let you 4 tan x. So this will go back to f of x. Okay, so du, let u, what is du? Let u equal this. Du will be what? 4 secant square x dx. So I need 4 and 1 over 4 outside. So this is my du. So that will be 1 over 4. Okay. Now 0 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. Tan pi over 4, 1 times 4, that will be up to 4. F of u du. And what is this? It's similar to this one. So that will be 16. So I have 16 over 4, which is 4. So that will be the answer. Evaluate this. Okay. I will let u equal 1 minus x squared. Du will be what? Minus 2x. But I have x cubed. So I can write it 0, 1. I can write this one minus 2x. So I need minus half outside times x squared. Okay. Square root 1 minus x squared cubed dx. So this will be my du. And x squared is 1 minus u. So that will be minus half. What about the limits of integration? 0, 1. At 0, it will be 1, and at 1 will be 0. Okay, I have x squared, which is 1 minus u. This is what? Times u to the power 3 over 2, du. Now do the calculation, minus half from 1 to 0, u to the power 3 over 2 minus u to the power 5 over 2, du. That will be minus half 2 over 5, u to the power 5 over 2, 2 over 7, u to the power 7 over 2, from 1 to 0. That will be minus half 0, 0, 0, 0 minus. This one will be what? 2 over 5 minus 2 over 7. Okay, that will be minus half times what? 14 minus 10 is 4 over 35 with a minus sign. Minus 4 over 35. That gives me 2 over 35. Yeah, this is 2, this is 1. So I have 2. Okay. Which one of the following is correct? Okay. Yeah. This one, I will let this W. Yeah. So it will be dW. Will be 3x squared plus 6x. Now, W is this. The W is 3x squared plus 6x, which is not this one. So I cannot do it this way. This is wrong. If W is this, what will be dx or dW? Dx. 2x dx. I don't have 2x dx. I cannot do it this way. This one, what will be dW? dW will be 3x squared plus 4x plus 2, not 1. So this is wrong. This one I need 2x. 2x dx. I don't have, I have x, so I need half somewhere. So this is wrong. This one, w equals square root of x. dw will be 1 over 2 root x dx, which is ready now. So this is my dw. So it's cosine w dw. So this is correct. Okay, let it be an odd. Odd right away should come to my mind. Minus a to a, f of x dx is equal to 0. Okay, 1 to 3. Yeah, it seems they need to deal with minus 1 and 1. So it means from minus 1 to 1, f of x dx, which is minus 1 to 3 plus 3 to 1. That should be 0. And I know this is a, so 0 equal a plus what I am looking for. This is not the same. I need to make it a minus integral from 1 to 3 f of x. Because instead of 3 to 1, I make it 1 to 3. So the integral from 1 to 3 f of x dx will be what? Will be a. So this is the answer. Okay. Which one following sentence is true? About the inequality. If x is negative, then the integral should be negative, not positive. This is wrong. This is not an even, huh? Even means f of minus x equal f of x. Doesn't mean f of absolute value of x. It's not the absolute value. Yeah. For example, if we take absolute value x squared plus x, yeah, this is not even. If we take f of x, it can f of x squared plus x. Absolute value of x is not even. Let me say g of x. This is not even. since g of minus x will be absolute value of what? X squared minus x, which is not the same as g of x. Okay. So this is wrong. 2 to 2 is 0, not 2. Yeah, this is 0. Cannot be this because 0. Why? Because this is a value. This is a number. Definite integral should give us a number. Limit of a number is 0. Okay, number A, which is the correct one, is f of x greater than or equal sine x. So it means integral from 0 to pi f of x dx greater than or equal 0 to pi of sine x dx. And what's the integral of this? That will be minus cosine x from 0 to pi. That will be 1 minus 1, which is 2, which is this one. So this is correct. That integral should be greater than or equal to 2. So this is correct. Okay. What about this? What they want? The GBA differentiable and let f of x equal this. F prime at 1 is equal to this. Yeah. He said f prime at 1 is equal to this. Find f at 1. You want f at 1. Okay. Let me see what we're looking for. What is given. Okay. Yeah, let me try to do it. Yeah. F of 1 is what? Integral 0 to g at 1 t over this. So it means I need to find g at 1. I need to find g at 1. Okay. I know f prime at x using fundamental theorem of calculus will be g at x square root 4 plus 5g of x square times g prime at x. Okay, that means f prime at 1, x equal 1. F prime at 1 would be g at 1 over square root 4 plus 5g at 1 square times g prime at 1. That means 1, g at 1, I'm looking for it, over this. G prime at 1 is 3. So I have 3g1. So that means what? 3g1 will be square root 4 plus 5 g at 1 square. Square it, that will be 9 g at 1 square equal 4 plus 5 g at 1 square. Take 9 to this to the other side, so I have 4 g at 1 square equals 4. So g at 1, I'll take it to be 1. So I have 0 to 1. So I have now 0 to 1, f of 1 will be 0 to 1 t over square root 4 plus 5t squared dt, which is now I'll use the substitution. Let w equal 4 plus 5t squared. So dw will be 10t dt. So write 10 and 1 over 10. So that'll give me 1 over 10. This is integral 10t dt. Yeah, it was using the u, using the u. That will be what? U is minus half du or w in this case. Make it du. Usually we do it with u. So why I change to w? U d w. that will be from 0 means 4 plus 0, which is 4, and to 9. That give me 1 over 10 of what? Yeah, space wise. Okay, this is 2u to the power half from 4 to 9. So it's 1 over 5 square root of 9, which is 3, minus square root of 4, which is 2. So that will be 1 over 5, which is this one. Okay. Yeah, matter of calculation. But he combined the idea of fundamental theorem of calculus, and now we did calculation to get g of 1, plug it, then you need to do it to find the integral by substitution. Okay. Yeah. Now, very clear to me, I will let u equal x plus 5 and see what will happen. So I will be what? Integral minus 9 plus 5, that's minus 4, up to 4. Okay. U to the power 8 sine u plus u to the power minus 6 du, which is what? Minus 4 to 4, u to the power 8 sine u du. I split it, I will tell you why. Because this is u squared du. I split it because this is odd. They have minus a to a, so this is 0. This is an easy integral. U cubed over 3 from minus 4 to 4. That will be what? 64 over 3 minus 64 over 3, which is 128 over 3, which is this one. Now, this is the idea. When I do the substitution, yeah, by the way, du equal x. Yeah, very clear. I found out the new integral is minus 4 to 4. F is even. F is even. You want minus 3 to 10. You want minus 3 to 10 f of x dx. Okay. And they have 3 and minus 3. So it means I need to move to minus 3 to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to 3 f of x dx plus 3 to 10 to come back to 10 and start from minus 3 up to 10. If you notice, these two is what? This is minus 3 to 3. This one is minus 3 to 3, which is what? Just for my information, minus 3 to 3 f of x, it will be 2, 0 to 3 f of x dx, and also 2 minus 3 to 0 f of x dx. So this one, because I know minus 3 to 0, so I'll use this. 2 from minus 3 to 0 f of x dx. Since this is minus 3 to 3 f of x dx. It's double, because the function is even. Plus this one. And that give me 2 times 5 plus 7, so the answer is 17, which is this one. Sine x times sine x, very clear. I will let u equal sine x. The u will be what? Cosine x dx. So I have what? 0 to 1 sine u. Correct? Yeah, this will be my du. And this is sine of u. So that will be minus cosine u from 0 to 1, which is minus cosine 1 minus cosine 0, which is plus 1. So it will be 1 minus cosine 1, which is this one. Okay. Next one. I can let u to be x minus 1 cubed. Du will be what? 3x minus 1 squared dx. So I need 3 and 1 over 3 outside. So it's 1 over 3. Okay, what about the limit? 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. 1 minus 1, that will be 0. 3 times x minus 1 squared dx, this is du, so I have EU du. So the answer 1 over 3 EU from minus 1 to 0. Minus 3, 1 minus 1 over e, which is this one. Okay. Okay. We do more. Yeah. I will let you x to the power 4 plus 1. Du will be what? 4x cubed dx. So I need to write it cubed. That will be what? I need x cubed, 4x cubed. I need 1 over 4. Don't forget the remaining x to the power 4. So I split x to the power 7 into x cubed and x to the power 4, where from here, x to the power 4 is what? U minus 1. So now I plug the numbers, 1 over 4, this with this, give me du. X to the power 4 is u minus 1 times u to the power 1 over 4 du. So that will be 1 over 4 integral u to the power 5 over 4 minus u to the power 1 over 4 du, which is 1 over 4, add 1 plus 4 times is 4 over 9, u to the power 9 over 4 minus 4 over 5, u to the power 5 over 4 plus c. So you have 1 over 9 u, which is x to the power 4 plus 1 to the power 9 over 4 minus 1 over 5. This 4 cancelled the far outside. X to the power 4 plus 1 to the power 5 over 4 plus c, which is this one. Okay. Yeah, very clear. I will let u equal ln x. Du will be what? dx over x. So the integral will be integral of 6 u is minus 4 du. That will be what? Minus 2 u is minus 3 plus c. Okay, 6 u to the power. U to the power minus 4. Okay, so I have minus 2 over ln x cubed plus c, which is this one. Okay. This one. That will be 0. Why? Because this function is odd. As I said, when you see minus a to a, you need to think about the odd. Not always, but it's good to think about this. That will be minus sine cube root of x cube x minus sine cube x 2 plus sine square. But t, all of it t, make it in terms of t. So it's minus f of t, which is odd function. So this is 0. Yeah, this one we did something similar, but the only thing that new, he did some calculation. He did not leave it. Okay, I will tell you what happened. U equal x squared plus 1, du equal to x dx. That I can write it as I need 2x, so I need half. I need x squared, and I need, yeah, and this is remaining x squared plus 1 dx. Now, if this is u, so x squared is u minus 1. So I have half this with this du outside, x squared, u minus 1, u to the power half du. That gives me what? Half u to the power 3 over 2 minus u half over half du, half 2 over 3 u to the power 3, 5 over 2 over 5 to the power 5 over 2 minus 2 over 3 u to the power 3 over 2. Don't forget plus 3. So I have what? 1 over 5 What is it? X squared plus 1 to the power 5 over 2 minus 1 over 3 x squared plus 1 to the power 3 over 2 plus c. We'll get plus c. I need to deal with this. Right? He wrote it as a product, not as a sum. This one is wrong. Yeah, this one is wrong. Okay, so I will take x squared plus 1 to the power 3 over 2. For those ones, I will leave plus c is the same. And see what will be the remaining. Also, I can take 1 over 5. I notice I have 1 over 5 everywhere. So I can take 1 over 5 x squared plus 1 to the power 3 over 2 and see what's the remaining. I have here x squared plus 1. And there I have what? 5 over 3. Yes, correct. Yeah, 5 over 3, since multiply, get 1 over 3 plus c. So it will be 1 over 5 x squared plus 1 to the power 3 over 2. This is what? X squared minus 2 over 3. Don't forget plus c. So I change it into product. Okay. If x equal this, you want the integral from 1 to e of all of this. What a question. Okay. Yeah, I will let u equal what? All of this. Is it? Yeah, that will be minus half. No, not all of this. I'll let you the things inside. I think that will work. What will be du? Du will be what? Secant square pi over 4 ln x, okay, times pi over 4 times 1 over x. What is secant square? It's 1. Don't forget dx. It's 1 over cosine square pi over 4 ln x times pi over 4 times x minus 1 dx. So this is u. All of this is du times pi over 4. So now the integral 1 to e f of x dx will be what? Instead of pi over 4, if I put pi over 4, I need to multiply by 4 over pi. So that will be 4 over pi. Integral of what? Put 1, ln 1, 0, tan 0, 0, that will be up to 4. Put e, ln e is 1, tan pi over 4 is 1, that will be 9. All of this, so I have u with minus half du. Yeah. So this is my du, which is this one with the pi over 4 times dx. Okay, so that gives me 4 over pi of what? Add 1, 2 times u to the power half from 4 to 9. Sorry. That will be 5. There is a 5 somewhere. Yeah, so that will be 5 pi over 4. Sorry. That will be, I need 5 pi over 4. So I need 4 over 5 pi outside. So this will be 4 over 5 pi. And that will be 4 over 5 pi. So that will be 8 over 5 pi. What is this? Square root of 3, of 9, which is 3, minus square root of 4, which is 2. 8 over 5 pi, which is this one. Yeah, be careful with the calculation. Okay, 2 minus x over x to the power 7. Yeah, that will be what? I write it 2 minus x to the power 1 over 3 over x to the power 7 over 3 dx. Okay. which is what? Another way to deal with it, I can write it as what? 2 minus x over x to the power 6, x to the power 1 over 3. Distance, I can take it dx. Outside, that will be x to the power 6 over 3. That will be 1 over x square. 2 minus x over x to the power 1 over 3 dx, which is 1 over x square, 2 over x minus 1 to the power 1 over 3 dx. I will let this du, so du is 2 over x minus 1, not du, u, I mean. Let u this. Du will be what? Minus 2 over x squared dx. So I need to multiply by minus 2 and minus half from outside. So this will be my du. So it will be minus half. This is u. Integral u to the power 1 over 3 du. Add 1. So it will be minus half times 3 over 4 u to the power 4 over 3 plus c. That give me what? Minus 3 over 8 u, which is 2 over x minus 1 to the power 4 over 3 plus c. As I said, usually when you look at the answers, it will give you a hint. So I need 2 over x minus 1. Because of that, I did this. Okay. This one can split it into 2 parts. Plus integral of minus 3 to 3 sine x root 9 minus x squared dx. Oops. This is odd. So the answer is 0. This one is half circle, so it's 4 times half. R is by 3 square. So it will be what? 18 by. Okay. If it's even, give me this. You want that. Okay. So first, let u equal 2dx. Let u equal 2dx. Du will be 2dx. U equal 2x. Du equal 2dx. That integral will be what? Now that will be minus 4 to 4, 2 plus f of u du. Okay, that will be the integral from minus 4 to 4 of 2 du plus plus what? Integral minus 4 to 4 f of u du. Since it's even, no, wait a minute. No, let me do it this way. Be careful, be careful. Cannot do it this way. Yeah. I will take it minus 2 to 2 dx. This is done. It's 2 times 4, which is 8. Plus done. So I'm concerned with this one. So I need let u equal 2x. Du will be 2 dx. So we need 2.5 outside. Because that if you put half, that will be 1. So it will confuse. So avoid this. I need half outside. So that becomes 1 from minus 4 to 4, which is 8, the same thing. Okay, but I think it's better to do it this way. These things you can do easily. Now, just I will do the calculation with this one. So that will be half integral of minus 4 to 4 f of u du. which is half 2 of this integral, 0 to 4 f of u d, since the function is even. So I have just the integral, f of u du, which is 5. So the answer to this will be 8 plus 5, which is 13, which is this one. Yeah, I split it to avoid confusion. Still, you can't do it. If you put half, then that will be 1. Integral from -4 to 4 will be 8. Okay. Value of this, I think we did something similar. Let me do it quickly. du equal -2x dx. I need to write this as -2x. I need minus half outside. Don't forget the x squared. So that will be what? Minus half. 1 minus u, square root of u, du. 0, it will be 1. 1, it will be 0. It will be minus 1 over 2. Integral 1 to 0, u to the power half, minus u to the power 3 over 2. du minus half 2 over 3 u to the power 3 over 2, 2 over 5 u to the power 5 over 2, from 1 to 0. That will be minus half. I think the same as the one I did. That's okay. 0 minus 2 over 3 minus 2 over 5. That gives me minus 1 over 2, 10 minus 6, 4 over 15, with a minus sign. That will be 2 over 15, which is this one. Yeah. Sine to x over cosine to x. Okay. Yeah, if I open this as a double angle, that will be 2 sine to x cosine to x over cosine to x dx. Is cancelled. What's the integral of 2 cosine x? That will be minus 2 cosine x plus c. What is this? Minus cosine 2x plus c. Okay. Let f be an even function. Let it be an even function that's continuous. He gave me this. On this, he wants this. 0 to 1. He wants 0 to 1. Okay. I have minus 1. So for sure I need, it's an even one. I need this. Minus 1 to 1. Plus 0 to 1, minus 1 to 0, plus 0 to 1 f of x. Okay. Yeah. I don't know this. This is what I'm looking for. But I can get this one. I can get this one. You know, minus 1 to 1 will be what? Minus 1 to 3 plus 3 to 1. Which is what? Which is 2a minus 4b. Because this is instead of 3, 1, 1 to 3. So this is minus 1 to 1 f of x dx. And this one is 2, 0 to 1 f of x dx. Since the function is even, integral from minus 1 to 1 will be 2 integral from 0 to 1. Actually, no need for this. I need this. This is 2 of this. And this is what I'm looking for. So the integral from 0 1 f of x dx, I just divide by 2. It will be a minus 2b, which is this one. Yeah, easy one. Okay, I see minus by to by, minus a to a. This is odd. This is, yeah. Yeah, let me check it. Function, complete function. Actually, the complete function is an odd function. f of minus x will be what? Minus sine x minus x cosine x over 1 plus x squared, which is minus f of x, odd function. So the answer is 0. Okay. Yeah, I'm almost there. What's the next one? Yeah, not that difficult. And it's ux minus 1. Don't forget x equal u plus 1. Because I need it here. Du equal dx. So the integral x plus 1, that will be u plus 2. U root of u to the power 1 over 3 du. That will be what? U to the power 4 over 3 plus 2u to the power 1 over 3 du. That will be 3 over 7, u 7 over 3 plus 2 times 3 over 4, u to the power 4 over 3 plus c. So that will be 3 over 7 u, which is x minus 1 to the power 7 over 3 plus 3 over 2, x minus 1 to the power 4 over 3 plus c, which is this one. Okay. I will let... First, this is what? 1 to e dx x times 1 plus ln x. So my u will be 1 plus ln x. My du will be what? Dx over x. So I have what? 1 ln e is 1, that will be 2. Du over u. Actually, this one should be in 5.7. That's okay. We'll do it here. That will be ln absolute value of u from 1 to 2. That will be ln 2 minus ln 1, which is ln 2. Well, ln 1 is 0. I can move this one to 5.7. Same idea. Let a be non-zero. They have this. Okay. Yeah. I let u equal ax minus 2. What will be du? It will be minus 2a x minus 3 dx. Okay, this integral x minus 3 cosine ax minus 2 dx. So I need minus 2a, and I need minus 1 over 2a outside. So that will be minus 1 over 2a. This is du, integral of cosine u du. That will be minus 1 over 2a sine u plus c. And what is u? Sine a over x squared plus c, which is this. Sine x over this, yeah. It's odd, yeah, very clear. This is an odd function. Odd. So the answer is 0. Okay. Function defined by this. You want to say which one is false. The function is continuous, defined, have no problem, so it's okay. F of 3 greater than f of 5 over 2. Why is that? F of 3. F of 2 equals 0, this is very clear. F prime of x will be what? Will be 1 over x, then x to the power m. Okay, that will be, this is true. M is greater than or equal to 2. And x is positive. We have ln x. Yeah. So this is positive. So the function is increasing. So this one is correct. Now this one is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because if we do the integration, now let me do the integration. F of x integral 2 to x 1 over t ln t to the power m dt. I will let u equal ln t. Du equal dt over t. So this one will be the integral of ln 2 to ln x of what? Ln, this is u to the power minus m du. This is will be du and half u to the power minus m, where m is greater than 2, greater than or equal to 2. So I have from ln 2 to ln x, what will be the integral of this? Add 1, so I have minus 1. I have minus m plus 1, so I have 1 over 1 minus m times what? Times u to the power 1 minus m. From where to where? From ln 2 to ln x. So that will be 1 over 1 minus m times what? I can write it 1 over then x to the power m minus 1. I took it down. 1 over ln 2 to the power m minus 1. But it's not 1. I wrote it 2. So there is a mistake here. Okay. This one. So that u equal x, u equal 1 minus ln x. Du will be what? Minus dx over x. So I need a minus and minus sign outside. So I have minus integral u to the power 4 du. So it's minus 1 over 5 u to the power 5 plus c minus 1 over 5, 1 minus ln x to the power 5 plus c. Which is this one? Okay. Let it be continuous. Yeah. Do you have a big number of questions? I can leave it. Yeah. Yeah. Let me do this one, then we'll stop. The continuous is like this. This is what we have. This is equal 5, and this is equal 2. You want this. Okay. Yeah. Let me start by this. Let u equal 3t. What will be du? Du equal 3 dt. So I need 3 and 1 over 3 outside. So that will be 1 over 3 integral of minus 1 to 4. Okay, f of u du. Okay. Minus 1 to 4. Now let me think about this one. This one is what? I let u equal 2t, du equal 2 dt. Okay, so that will be 2 and half outside. That implies what? Half integral from 2 to 4, 2 to 4. F of u du, that should be 2. So it means integral from 2 to 4, f of u du, that should be 4. Okay. Now this one, I can rewrite it minus 1 to 2. Don't forget 1 over 3 outside. Minus 1 to 2, f of u du, plus 2 to 4, f of u du. That will be 1 over 3 minus 1. This is 5, and this is 4. So the answer is 3, which is this one. Okay. Let me stop the recording. I think we have a good number of questions. Thank you.